In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add button slicers to your Power BI report. Whether you're new to Power BI or looking to refine your reporting skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can effortlessly enhance your reports with button slicers. To get started, make sure you're in the report view of Power BI. This is the area where you'll create and design your report layout. Once you're set, focus your attention on the right-hand pane of your screen. Here, you'll find the Visualizations pane, which is essentially a toolbox filled with various visual elements you can incorporate into your report. Among these visuals is the button slicer, an incredibly useful tool for improving the interactivity and usability of your reports. Now, click on the button slicer visual. This simple action will add it directly to your report canvas. It's a straightforward step, but selecting it sets the foundation for creating a more dynamic report. The next part is where the real customization begins, dragging and dropping the data. This step involves you selecting the relevant data field and dragging it onto the button slicer. As you do this, the slicer begins to take shape, integrating with your existing report data to offer users an interactive way to filter and view information. One of the fantastic things about Power BI is its ability to automatically integrate new visuals with your existing data sets. As soon as you drag and drop your data into the button slicer, it instinctively understands how to connect with the surrounding data elements. This synergy gives your users an intuitive filtering experience, allowing them to interact with your report more meaningfully and derive insights easily. And just like that, you've successfully added and integrated a button slicer into your Power BI report. With this new visual in place, the users of your report will have increased control and flexibility, enhancing their data exploration experience. The simplicity and efficiency of this process really stands out. It's one of the reasons so many people enjoy using Power BI. By following these few steps, you've not only added functionality, but also a layer of professionalism to your report design. That's all there is to it. By embracing these tools, you're empowering your data story and setting up your reports to be more engaging and informative. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel confident adding button slicers in the future. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks.